Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today is a recipe video including 3 evening snack recipes. Now, these were made with limited ingredients, or I would say made with readily available items in my kitchen. Bread cinnamon roll, cheesy palak parcel, and mutton pakora. The first two was prepared quickly when I had guests coming over on short notice, and the last one with leftover mutton masala. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. Let's begin with bread cinnamon roll. Firstly, taking some sugar, quarter cup, and make it to a powder. Then you need thick cream. Here I took a pack of 125 ml. Now instead of thick cream, you can go for cream cheese. I have a recipe on that too. Add this into a bowl. Mix the powdered sugar into it. Now to balance the sweetness, I added 2 tablespoons of salted cheese. Here we get in triangles. I added 2 triangles into it. You can add 2 or 3 tablespoons of any salted cheese. And mix well. It doesn't matter for small lumps, but do try to whisk it well. Take bread slices and cut the sides. Make breadcrumbs from the sides of the bread. Add it to a plate. Then to another bowl or plate, add 1 egg and little milk, like around 2 or 3 tablespoons, and mix well. Next, in another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, not powdered one, and to that add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix well and keep aside. Now flatten each bread slice with a rolling pin. Spread little of the cheese mixture. Roll it and keep all the bread slices ready the same way. Now dip each roll in egg mix and then into the breadcrumbs. Just add the sugar cinnamon mix into a plate so that it's easy to roll after frying. Now deep fry the rolls. Once it turns to a light brown color or your preferred color, take it out. After a minute or two, roll it in the sugar cinnamon mix. Do not roll as soon as you take out from the oil. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Continue everything the same way. Though the snack was a simple one and quickly made, I was happy that my guest enjoyed it. That's my husband's colleague. Next is cheesy Palak Parcel. For this, take 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 4 green chilies, and then I had taken half of a large capsicum. Chop everything. Then taking palak leaves, a bunch, chopping it into thin shreds. It's up to you, you can chop it in any way because the leaves will go very soft once cooked. Heat a kadai, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can add oil instead. Add the garlic and green chilies chopped and saute well till the raw smell go. Then saute the chopped capsicum. Then add the chopped palak and let it cook well. Adding some rock salt. You can add any kind. Once done, take it off. Spread it into a bowl and let it not completely cool down because we'll be adding the cheese into it. Meantime, into another bowl, adding the ingredients for the batter to make the pancake. Around 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use wheat flour. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Some salt and mix. Add water until you get a semi-thick batter, neither too thick nor too thin. Now before the palak cools down, add some shredded mozzarella cheese, around half cup. Mix well and keep aside. Now let's make the pancake. Either swirl the pan or spread with a spatula like a dosa. Cook for 1 minute on both the sides in very low flame. As soon as you take it out from the pan, add some palak mix into the center and fold from 4 sides, making it into a square shape. Prepare everything the same way. Then break 2 eggs into a bowl. Add half teaspoon black pepper powder and whisk well. Heat a pan, add some ghee or oil. Take each one, dip it in the egg mix and place it into the heated pan. Cook each side for 1 or 2 minutes or until it turns to a light brown color. and the snack is ready. Now I had the egg mix left, so I added to the pan and spread some mozzarella cheese, cooked it till a light brown color and served for my kids. Next is mutton pakora. I've kept this at the end because in case you don't eat meat, you could skip this part. You could check out my other pakora recipes in my description box below. Now for this, slicing 2 large onions. Slice it very thinly. Add this into a mixing bowl. Then chop 2 to 3 green chilies and add it to the onion. Some chopped coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon ajwain seeds or carom seeds. Then 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Some salt. Then squeeze and mix everything well till the onions are soft. Now here I had some leftover mutton masala. You could make fresh one cooking with some onion, tomato, ginger, garlic and some spice powders. Here I am using leftover one. Crushing it in the blender. Add this into the onion mixture. Now mix again. Then goes besan or gram flour around 1 cup. Mix again. Heating oil in a kadai. You can fry it like popcorns, taking a small quantity, or even flatten it like a shape of a cutlet. It's up to you. Once it turns to a brownish color, take it out. It doesn't have much appealing look, but it tastes really good. Have it with ketchup or any sauce. So that ends today's video. Hope you would try these out. Do let me know your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet and press the bell icon for getting notifications on my new videos. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.